Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So we are going to be doing this video on the ECM fuse and why it would keep blowing in your car. Why do you keep on having an ECM fuse that gets blown in your car? And we're gonna go down and pretty much list all the reasons why and how you could try to fix the issue. All right. So the electronic control module, the ECM, it's also called the PCM, the Power Control Module, or the ECU, the Electronic Control Unit. Pretty much it's a computer that controls the electronics in your car. The ECM1 is one of these computers. It has a fuse, and pretty much is that fuse is installed to protect the computer from any kind of sudden power surges or other component damage. The fuse will blow before any damage can reach the ECM, which is pretty much the reason why fuses exist to begin with. And there are many reasons why your ECM1 fuse would cause your ECM1 fuse to blow. Let's pretty much go down the reasons of why that might occur. First of all, let's talk about the O2 sensor and how it actually affects the ECM1 fuse. Although many complaints have been reported about O2 sensors causing the ECM fuse to blow, it's really not the O2 sensor causing the problem. It is the placement of the O2 sensor. If the wires leading to the O2 sensor rub against the exhaust, it creates a ground, and that pretty much creates a short. Once the O2 sensor is grounded, the fuse to the ECM1 blows. The O2 sensor must be installed in a different place to ensure that the wires do not short circuit, and that pretty much goes for a lot of different components in the car. You do not want the positive line of any component to be touching the frame of the car, any portion of the metal of the car, and that does happen. It's going to cause some shorts in the system. So let's go to another reason why another component of the car that could cause the EC1 fuse to blow consistently, and one of those things is the fuel pump. When the fuel pump begins to fail, what it does, it overheats, and it causes it to drain more amperage, and if the amps exceed the amount of amps that the EC1 fuse allows, the fuse will blow, and pretty much replacing the fuel pump should correct this issue. But you're gonna have to troubleshoot the fuel pump itself, all right, to figure out whether that's the problem or not. And let's move on to the next thing that could cause it to blow, which is the wiring. The EC1 fuse operates via voltage sent from the battery. Anytime an electrical wire becomes frayed, burnt, or damaged, the wiring leading to the ECM1 will short circuit. Once a wire short circuits, a power surge can occur. If the power surge exceeds the ECM1 fuse's limit amperage, it will blow the fuse. It's hard to track down a short circuit, but you have to look at every wire leading to the ECM. It is best to have somebody who's qualified to do that, because you could get some tools from Harbor Freight as far as trying to figure out where the shorts are, but it's a little bit complicated. All right, next up is the starter. The starter is the component that engages the engine when the ignition system is turned on. Voltage from the battery is sent to the starter, which then engages and starts the engine. If the starter is failing or has failed, voltage can get redirected to the ECM. The voltage or amp surge causing the ECM1 fuse to blow. When the starter fails, you will hear some kind of clicking noise. The engine won't start at all. So basically, just to go down the list of things that can cause an EC1 fuse to blow. There's a list of things, and those are just some of the things that could cause the ECM fuse to blow. Reason being is that all those components are actually in one way or another connected to the ECM. connected to the ECM fuse. And there are many other things, but most of it is pretty much electrical shorts. You're gonna have to figure out where the shorts are, because electrical shorts will cause not just the ECM fuse to blow, but it'll cause a lot of other fuses to blow. It's pretty much an electrical issue. And if you guys have any personal experiences with your ECM1 ECM fuse blowing, definitely leave a comment in the comment section on this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. All right, guys, take care.